What's up, everybody? Shannon Sagan here, 1-800-FLA-LAWYER, aka the Dash Cam Lawyer. So another lesson in tough love. If you're going to be getting one of these crappy insurance companies, if you're going to be getting just the bare minimum state required coverage, and you're hit and injured by someone who has just as little coverage as you do, you got to take some responsibility, and it's almost just as much your fault for taking that risk. We're in South Florida, there's crazy drivers, there's people getting bare minimum coverage at this point, and there's many people driving without coverage. The best way to avoid all that and to protect yourself and your family and your kids and loved ones is get uninsured motorist / underinsured motorist coverage. Yes, it's extra, it costs more, but it's such peace of mind, and it ensures that you can have a claim for your injuries even if the other party has minimal coverage or has none, which is common. So go get yourself uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage, because if you don't, you come into an office like mine where you don't have full coverage and the person who hit you doesn't have it, there's nothing I can do for you. I don't go after individuals, we only go after insurance companies. Go get that coverage now. So for a free consultation, if you've got a question, need legal advice, have a car accident, give me a call at 1-800-FLA-LAWYER, or you can book something online on our website, 1-800-FLALawyer.com.